My name is Stella Mlanje and I'm with Colin Makubetu. Today we are going to do a demonstration on fireproofing. Fireproofing is to prevent fire from spreading in a building where it will end up causing a damage that is uncontrollable to extinguish. We have different ratings of fire sealing or fireproof. The first one, we've got a 60-minute fireproofing, which is a 1-hour fire rating, which allows emergency or fire brigaders to get to the scene within 60 minutes. We have a 90-minute fire rating and a 2-hour fire rating. All these are depending on the specifications as per fire engineer or architect's design. The following materials are used for fire seal, where we apply them in a building in place to stop fire. The first component that we're using is mineral wool. Mineral wool is a board that is a 50mm thick that we put on a wall and apply fire coating. A fire coating is a special coat that is specially made for fire rating. We're using a brush, applying it on the board. And we've got a fire sealant. A fire sealant, we're putting it around the components that are penetrating through the fireboard, whereby our most penetrating components are the plumbing pipes, which is plastic. Plastic is something that also reacts, that burns when it's exposed to fire. We've got timber. Roof trusses are made of timber, which is another component that burns when it gets fire. We've got electric conduit. Electric conduits are also burning when they are exposed to fire. And a coated steel pipe. Coated steel pipe normally are burning or bending when they get in fire, like copper pipes where plumbing are installed, and the aircon ducts where they are also penetrating across the wall that is designed as a fire wall. We are going to use a fire extinguisher as another demonstration equipment that we are going to use to apply on the painted mineral wool where we're going to be bending the board, as to demonstrate how the coating and the mineral wool protect the building or seal the fire, prevent the fire from spreading from one component to another component. This is the sample of the penetrations through our mineral wool board uncoated. Now we are going to coat the board so that we apply the required 60-minute fire rating. 60 minutes is a painted board on both sides on a 110mm wall or 220. We are going to do a demonstration of a 60-minute, which is a 1-hour fire rating. How to distinguish the 60-minute fire rating? A 60-minute fire rating is a single board that is on a wall and with the penetrations from the side, one side of the wall. We are not doing it on both sides. If it's done on both sides, it's a 2-hour fire rating. Now we have our penetrations through the mineral wool. We have the plumbing pipe, we have the electrical conduit, we have a coated steel pipe, and we have a timber. That is one of the components that are normally penetrating through a firewall. First, we're gonna apply the fire sealant to seal around the small holes on the penetrations.